I'm Dan Swagger. I'm a certified technician here at Vermeer Midwest in East Moline. I've been here a little over 5 years. I'm going to show you how to calibrate joysticks on a D2022 Series 3. Some reasons why you need to recalibrate your joysticks are: you have had a fault code come up on your screen for joystick calibration, you need to recalibrate because you've replaced the joystick, or you have reflashed the controller software. So we'll start off calibration. You're going to hold the joysticks, both of them, forward for 5 seconds, then in reverse for 5 seconds. And then you should notice on the screen that there would be a green box saying that the calibration has taken place.